Tired of laggy rigs? How MSI X870E Carbon Wi-Fi's PCI Express 5.0 rebels against slowdowns. Ever felt like your motherboard is a sneaky saboteur, blocking your build's potential with outdated ports and overheating drama that leaves you stuck in upgrade limbo? Imagine fumbling cables in a cluttered case, your Ryzen dreams dashed by sluggish transfers. If this resonates, you're not solo. I've battled those beasts myself. Drop a comment with your biggest build blunder. Let's swap war stories. But stay tuned, because this AM5 powerhouse with Wi-Fi 7 might just be the gaming hero unleashing your system's true fury. Now, escalate that frustration. Deadlines for that epic render crash like thunder, stress coils tight in your chest. Burnout dims the thrill of overclocking triumphs. One enthusiast I know almost bailed on a Ryzen 9000 setup after thermal throttling torpedoed his session. Gut-wrenching, huh? It's exhausting, chasing stability amid connectivity chaos. What if there was a premium gaming motherboard that seizes control? SNS, the added anarchy. No more compromising on DDR5 speeds or PCI Express 5.0 bandwidth. Just seamless, future-proof performance that hums with promise. Behold the MSI MPG X870E Carbon Wi-Fi, the breakthrough ATX gaming motherboard revolutionizing AM5 builds for Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors. Picture it as your thermal titan, armed with a robust 18+2+1 VRM design and massive heatsinks featuring 7 watt per meter Kelvin pads that dissipate heat like a cool breeze. While dual LAN, including 5 gigabits per second Ethernet and Wi-Fi 7 deliver blistering connectivity SNS wires. This beast supports DDR5 up to 7,800 MHz with Expo profiles for effortless overclocking. Boasts multiple M.2 Gen 5 slots shielded by Tech for lightning-fast storage that feels almost electric, and integrates USB 4 at 40 gigabits per second for peripherals that plug in with satisfying snaps. Envision a content creator mid-marathon edit, whose system stayed frosty under full load thanks to the extended heatsink, rendering frames in record time without a stutter. Or that gamer in a heated esports match, where the audio boost 5 codec sharpened every footsteps crunch, Mystic Light RGB syncing pulses to victory vibes. With PCI Express 5.0 by 16 slots unlocking 128 gigabytes per second bandwidth that pulses with raw power, it's hypnotic how it anticipates your demands. Here's one way the MSI MPG X870E Carbon Wi-Fi saved the day for a busy pro. During an intense overclock test, its premium chokes and tool-free easy PCI Express release swap GPUs seamlessly, averting meltdown. Keep watching for the bonus trick at the end that unlocks even snappier BIOS tweaks. Your rig will roar. But let's ignite the excitement. Benefits blaze like a overclocked core, surging efficiency, so builds boot in blinks and transfers fly without bottlenecks. Sharpening focus for those immersive gaming marathons where every frame feels alive, and boosting performance to elite levels with minimal tweaks. Thousands geek out over how this chipset's X870E prowess tames high-core Ryzen beasts, its carbon-themed aesthetics glowing under Mystic Light like a stealthy predator, while Bluetooth 5.4 pairs devices with whisper-quiet ease. A hardware review site declared, MSI X870E Carbon Wi-Fi leads with Wi-Fi 7 and USB 4, over-engineered power for demanding Ryzen 9s. A tech analyst added, 5 gigabits per second LAN and M.2 Gen 5 create a fast data pipeline. No throttling in sight. Even a PC builder influencer raved, USB 4 changes everything for high-speed storage. Post time is lightning quick. Users affirm it. One system integrator shared, BIOS nailed my Ryzen 790-700X setup instantly, stable for weeks. Another workstation user beamed, handles 128 gigabytes DDR5 under multi-core loads. VRMs don't sweat. Witness the endless praise. It crushes doubts like it's too complex with intuitive BIOS and toolless M.2 clips. Overkill? More like essential edge. Which feature would supercharge your setup? The dual LAN for lag-free nets or PCI Express 5.0 for GPU glory. Comment below and vent. Stir in a tease. Doesn't that heat pipe hum evoke a sensory thrill, pulling you into a world where your PC pulses with untamed energy? An overclocking pro quipped, excellent memory compatibility pushes DDR5 kits to extremes, enthusiast dream. Limited stock on this future-proof gem. Join thousands who've amped their AM5 rigs, from gamers banishing lag to creators conquering renders. One user enthused. Gen 5 NVMe loads games instantly. System feels snappy. An industry report hit it. Balances next-gen features like PCI Express 5.0 and Wi-Fi 7 at a smart premium. Don't delay. Envision snagging that exclusive BIOS bonus for overclock mastery now. Comment, yes, if you're primed to build without bounds. Don't just watch. Snatch your MSI MPG X870E Carbon Wi-Fi today and transform your setup into a performance powerhouse that endures.